Hi, a couple of days ago I shared a Forks Over Knives recipe and it had a garnish of some pickled onions on it. I want to show you how easy these are to make. We like them so much that I've been making them almost every other day, and I decided that it's a good time to show you while I make my own. So you can either slice your onions with the mandolin like I am, or you can slice them with a knife. And I'm using just a regular jar here. I'm going to break my onions up a bit. I'll just show you how I do one jar. Let's stuff these in. These are really, really great if you take them to somebody's having a barbecue. They can go on top of burgers, on top of carrot dogs. We like them on our salads and on our sandwiches. Now my hubby, he really, really likes apple cider vinegar, and I prefer rice vinegar. So I'm going to make this one with rice vinegar today. I'm going to add in about a half a teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to top this with some rice vinegar, and that's it. These will be ready to eat in about an hour in the refrigerator. That's all it needs. This is a nice gift to take to your friends if you don't know what to give them when you're going for a barbecue or for whatever. You can either just take it like that or just top it with a little pretty top, and that's it. This is what it looks like when they're in the apple cider vinegar. It's a little bit stronger than I like it, but they soften up and they're really beautiful. Both are really nice. I hope you give it a try. I'll put the recipe below. They're so easy to make. Cook in your kitchen. Thanks for watching. My name is Jill. Have a great day.